Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For brighter and more beautiful skin, you need to follow some beauty tips religiously to enhance your skincare regime. These simple tricks will take your beauty regime up several notches and add a new before seen glow to your face. Let's move to C. Yogurt and lemon face pack. Ingredients that you're going to need for this is unflavored yogurt, lemon juice. Now let's see the process. Take an empty bowl, add 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix these both ingredients together. Now apply this resultant paste to your face and leave it on for about 20 minutes and then wash your face with cold water. You can do this either in the morning before taking a bath or in the night before going to bed. Yogurt and lemon both moisturize the skin and helps remove blemishes. Lemon also contains vitamin C that protects the skin from UV damage. Yogurt improves the overall skin texture and even makes the skin brighter. Milk and saffron. Ingredients: raw milk, saffron. Take a clean bowl. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of raw milk. Now into this, add few strands of saffron. Now mix these both ingredients. Let the strands stay in the milk for 3 to 4 hours. Post that, apply this mix to your cleansed face. Keep it on for about 20 minutes, after which you can wash off with lukewarm water. You can do this in the morning before you take a bath. It was found that saffron can promote skin complexion. Thanks for watching this video.